Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Please fasten your seatbelt. We're getting ready for takeoff. I mean, can you hear that sound, you guys? You know what that is? That's my diesel heater running. That's from the outside. And it's pretty loud, but I think if you're out in traffic or in a parking lot, it should be okay. Chilly morning. Very chilly morning. And I'm just getting started, but I want to say good morning. And so there's the silver duck. Anyway, guys, have a fantastic day. I'm going to attempt to have a fantastic day, like I always do. Always make that attempt. You never know what's going to happen. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Come on out. Come on out. There we go. Oh boy. Come on. You know, I think I need a better way to do this. Put that there and there we go. We started.